We just wrapped up a session. You got man like Wretch here. You got man like Wretch and man like Victor. Come on.
It takes a village to raise one child. And I believe people need to fill in where other people aren't filling in.
Yeah, with your boy Wretch 3-2. Sometimes you stumble across things that you're probably destined to do. I think this was something I was definitely destined to do.
Due to the fact that I was shooting UK music and shooting the sort of new genre of grime, people would naturally see my work. The aperture is how much light is actually let into the lens, and then the ISO, also called the film speed, is how fast the film is. So good to meet you.
I think it's all about giving guidance.
Big round of applause.
You can really go places with something that you're passionate about. That's how I feel. When you see other people doing things, naturally you're inspired. It's been an active day, you feel me? Right.
I believe in inspiring others.
We have Be Creative Project, arts activism project.
When you look at the young people within London, you have to look at the music.
Watching them get excited and feel happy about what they were doing was just making me happy.
It's just so nice to be able to help other people. Young people are the future, man. That's true.
I want to show guys that there is light at the end of the tunnel.
You have to understand that everybody's playing a significant part.
Born and made in London.
If you got ears to hear it. You know what I'm saying? If you got eyes to see it.
I love it.